6 reasons why YouTube is an easy money-making option in 2022. Reason number 1, you can start with zero investment. Unlike other solid money-making streams like dropshipping or starting a business, YouTube does not require any funds. The best equipment that records crisp audio and clear video is already in your pockets. Use that. There are a lot of good free editing softwares to choose from. You can start a YouTube automation channel where you can make video content related to any niche without showing your face. Videos and channels like these are pretty simple to create. Just some memes from online compiled together, and yet they get a ton of videos and subscribers. You can learn more about automation channels here on YouTube. Number 2, you can make money on autopilot. Once your video is uploaded to YouTube, no work is required for it to grow and earn. It sits there for as long as YouTube will remain, making it the best source of passive income for you. YouTube works on the compounding effect of money. That is, if you upload a video right now, it will earn far more compared to an upload next year. It's because of the algorithm of YouTube to make impressions to viewers over a longer period of time. So start soon and earn sooner. Number 3, ease in time management. Even while working on your 9-to-5 job, you can manage YouTube easily. Further, if you're looking at YouTube only as a money-making asset and can invest a very small amount on it, you can pretty much put everything from video creation, making a thumbnail, posting it with proper SEO, and management of the channel to someone else. Although you do require basic knowledge about YouTube to hire people at affordable rates, once you figure this out, you don't require much time of your day to let that money roll in. Number 4, you have no barriers, neither on your revenue nor your creativity. You can never tell when that one video of yours would go viral. It will make you probably more money than your entire year of day job. Even without getting viral videos, if you're consistent in uploads, you can make this happen. Moreover, the satisfaction of spreading knowledge on YouTube is unmatched by any other job. When you get the option of expressing yourselves without any barriers while earning money from it, it can get none better. Number 5, no market or pandemic influence. Almost 114 million people in the world lost their job during the pandemic. The highest ever number in human history, well, you knew. But what you don't know is that more than 200 million people will lose their job next year. This means that more people will start looking here compared to now because YouTube will run no matter what happens in the world. If you start off with this thing today, there will be far less competition than next year. Number 6, YouTube is a business that grows and sells. The huge audience here sees you as an influencer. It's you being an entrepreneur of this business, and they are the customers. With YouTube programs like affiliate marketing, merchandise, brand sponsors, you can sell products and services within and related to your niche and make more revenue than the AdSense from YouTube partner program. The YouTube channel named Ryan's World Franchise surpassed $500 million by the end of 2020, within 3 years of launching its consumer product business. So you get an estimate about how huge the platform could be for your business. If you want to know which online jobs can make quick cash for you, see this video right here. Purely dedicate yourself to the YouTube business with a little patience. It's not hard to start a successful business model that will keep generating huge income. Subscribe to Luxus. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.